Hello everyone, this is Sanudas. Welcome to Geography with Sanu. In this video, we discuss one of the most important theory which is related to political geography, or we say geostrategy or geopolitics of the world. This particular theory is called Makinder's Heartland theory. Now, when we discuss the Heartland theory, it's important to understand that what is Heartland and what are the various concepts related with this and what is the applications today's world as well. So let's go to talk about all of this which are related to this theory. So in 20th century, one of the most important geopolitical theory is Heartland theory. British political geographer Makinder published the theory or published the Heartland theory in 1904 on his paper The Geographical Pivot of History or Geographical Pivot of History. And in this theory, the basic philosophies are: geopolitical history is the struggle between land power and sea power. Makinder established supremacy of land power against the sea power. So Makinder theory established a supremacy or a dominancy of land power against sea power, and its some basic unchanged philosophy are: who rules the East Europe command the heartland, and who rules the heartland commands the world island, and who rules the world island command the world. So these are the basic unchanged philosophy of Makinder theory. Or heartland means the center position. Heartland means the center positions. So three main divisions. Makinder divided his world into three main divisions. So main divisions and its core area or extended area and its basic characteristics. Some has basic characteristics in these regions, or one of these, all of these regions has a basic characteristics or a particular characteristics. So first is pivot area or heartland area. So core area is vast area in Eurasia stretching from Volga river to the Arctic Ocean, covering 9 million square miles. So which covers 9 million square miles. Extended area, the Baltic Sea, Black Sea, Asia Minor, Armenia, Persia, Tibet and Mongolia in 1919, and it's include whole of its Soviet Union except Lena land 1943. And its some basic characteristics are: large area, central locations, resource potentialist and high internal drainage pattern moving toward Arctic Ocean, less inaccessibility from outside due to the natural barrier. So this is the first divisions, pivot area or heartland area, which modified in 1919 to 1943, this time period. And second is the inner crescent, circular area of Eurasia from Scandinavia to Manchuria, and South Asia, West Asia and West Europe. And there is no significant extensions of area, but quite extensions of political power after the First and Second World War. So in this regions, Makinder has no such significant extensions of these regions, but quite extensions of political power after the First and Second World War. Very vulnerable zone due to accessible water passage. Land power and sea power are equally important. Natural resource potentialities are not very high. And next is the outer crescent. So outer crest of inner crescents including North and South America, Australia, Japan and Africa. This area later on defined as a second heartland by Makinder. After Second World War, this outer crescent area was characterized by seaport and become the political core. And some characteristics are characterized by strong sea power, potential hearth of political power, and this is the zone. So all of the Russia which red color we show, this is the heartland, and the yellow color is showing the inner crescent, and outer crescent is the outer part of these regions. So first this is there in Makinder theory there is a theoretical shift of the heartland theory which now we discuss. So in response to political power, technological ability to resource explorations, his concept been changing over time. So Makinder concept has changing with time. The first is the geographical pivot of history 1904. In it, he argued that interior Asia and Eastern Europe, the heartland, considered the heartland, had become the strategic, and second B and demographic idea and reality. In response to extended heartland areas, he presented this concept in 1919 during the war in 1917. The German advanced the steppe corridor of West Russia. He re-emphasized strategic importance of East and European gate of entry. Therefore, he argued that the peacemakers to introduce a cordon of independent states to separate the German and the heartland. So, in his theory 1919, modifications world island included the whole of Africa. So third of this shifting of this theory or time wise phase. So third is the round world and winning the peace. So in 1943 he recognized West Europe and the United States complements to each other because they are balancing power. He termed this area as Midland Basin. He termed the area as Midland Basins. So the area United States and Europe, West Europe are considered as a Midland Basin. North Atlantic Oceans, East United States and West Europe. With the defeat of Germany during Second World War, the Soviet Union emerged as a greatest land power. Soviet Union emerged as a greatest land power of the globe. Two great centers of the power, Midland Basins and Heartland, were separated by German realm of East Central Europe. So this is the round world and winning the peace concept, and under 1940 in the year of 1943. And in Makinder's Heartland theory, there are some criticisms behind this theory. So Makinder predictions contained in his theory did not come true, except that the former Soviet Union pivot state exercised the considerable influence over Eastern Europe. He failed to take into considerations the role of changing technology and the significance air power. So these are the criticisms behind criticisms of this theory. And next is the one of the most important point, present day validity of Heartland theory. Russia and Siberia once considered the hearth of resource potentiality. On that respect to the concept, who rules the heartland command the world island as well as the entire world was quite true. After Second World War, the emergence of Soviet Union as the superpower in the world, but after 1991, when Soviet Union had broken down, it became weak nations politically, economically also, and even military point of view. East and West Germany creating a tendencies to deposit power to control the heartland. According to Makinder, USA, Japan and some countries beyond heartland not politically influenced that time, but at present those nations are so influenced technologically, politically and economically, and they dominating over world. Therefore, the core of heartland has shifted from Russian midland to the marginal and insular countries. Democratic movement has enough responsibility to shift power gravity from heartland. So this is all about the heartland theory, which Makinder's heartland theory basically, or present day validity of heartland theory is most important concept regarding this theory, or what is the validity of this theory. So I hope you understand the Makinder's heartland theory. So thanks for watching.